How to fix Discord share screen audio on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord share screen audio on Android phone. First open settings and then click here apps and then apps again, and here just type Discord and then click on it, and here we will find the permissions, this one, and then click on it, and here we'll find microphone. Now just click allow and then just go back and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.